As the Senate prepares to consider a new act that will hold dog owners accountable for the actions of their pets, more concerns this evening about bad dogs. Two St. Catherine residents are nursing injuries after they were attacked by dogs at their home on Tuesday.
It's been a rough few days for Lloyd Fletcher. The wounds are now covered days after the vicious dog attack at his home in Frenchman Heights, St. Catherine. His neighbors' dogs are usually on a leash, but not on Tuesday. The same day Parliament met to pass a new law aimed at sending a message to dog owners. Mr. Fletcher said he was outside his house about 6 a.m. Tuesday when two dogs attacked him.
And started biting me up. And I started to scream out, "Murder, murder, murder!" And somebody here and called him. And he come down and tried to help me. And he started attacking too.
Where near you get? Where near the dog get?
On the foot, on the left foot, on the two hands, on my finger.
He's since gone to the doctor where he received an injection. He's also taking medication, which includes antibiotics and painkillers. Joel Palmer is the man that tried to rescue Mr. Fletcher from the dogs. He too was attacked.
I was going to work. I leave to go to bed to go to work, and I see my uncle out here sitting on the ground and born for help. And I run from upstairs to assist him, and the dog attacked me and bite me up.
Where and where do you get bites?
On my 2 foot, on my legs, on my hand.
For now, the dogs are locked up in the yard and the men are terrified.
She apologized, yes, I say sorry on what happened to us, but nothing more. And she wanted to bring us to private doctor. Dog is still here, then them is still here. Yes, I feel threatened them, afraid of them seeing me, afraid of them.
Last Tuesday, Parliament passed the Dogs Liability for Attacks Act. It replaces the outdated 1877 Dogs Liability for Injuries Act and introduces criminal liability for persons whose dogs attack or injure others. This incident comes on the heels of another that took place last weekend. Last Sunday, 5-year-old Michael Allen was attacked by dogs in St. Deca, St. Anne while on his way to the shop to buy sweets. On Saturday, he did the first of several surgeries at the Montefiore Hospital in New York. He's said to be doing well.